my name is Theresa and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to be seeing how to create this candy cane cake. Let's create this cake. Here we go. So what you can see on the screen are 6 layers of our rich vanilla cake. Recipe is linked below and the video is coming out next week. And then we're taking our peppermint buttercream and swirling white to reddish pink in between so that when your guests cut this cake open, they're going to have a beautiful multicolor surprise. Now this technique that you see on the screen is so much fun. You can do as many colors as you'd like. I chose white and the pinkish red, and you just pipe color next to color on a plastic wrap, and then you fold it over, close it off, snip the end, and then put that in a pastry bag and wait until you see the beautiful color that comes on top of our cake in a moment. I am so excited to share this awesome technique with you. We're going to be taking lots of candy canes, chopping them up in a food processor, grinding them, baking them, and creating any shape that you would like on top of your candy, on top of your cupcakes, or regular cakes like ours. See that I'm taking a knife and I'm slicing into the top of the cake because I don't want our candy cane creations to crack. So I'm just making a little insert and then putting the candy cane on top.
Thank you so much for joining us today. A little hint from my husband Cam, every time a bell rings, don't forget an angel gets its wings. Bye guys, see you next week. Hi everyone.
Action!